Welcome to Tech Shobha channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the blue light filter, also known as the night light, in Windows 10. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Display Settings. If you don't see Display Settings when you right-click, you can also get there by clicking on Start, then Settings, and from there go to System. This will take you to the Display Settings. At the top, you will see the night light option. Click on it. If you want to turn on the night light immediately, just click this button here and it will be turned on. You may not see the effect on my screen since I'm recording, but I can see the change on my monitor. You can also adjust the strength of the light from here. I like to keep it at around 30. Additionally, you can schedule it to turn on and off automatically. For example, I have set mine to start at 3:30 am and turn off at 7 am. To change this, just click on the time settings, choose your preferred start and end hours and save it. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.